Hi everyone, I'm Ricky here from Tech Talk, and today is a very quick basic video on the OnePlus 7 Pro, just showing you how to insert your dual SIM cards here. So I have two SIM cards here. One is from EE, which is a data network one, and one is from Vodafone, which has minutes, text, and data. So we're going to insert both of these. Please use the tool that's provided, which comes in the box. So via the picture here, it's saying it's down at the bottom, which it should be. Yep, it is. But before we do that, please power your device off. So we're going to press power off here. That's going to be shutting down. It's very quick anyway. So once powered off, take a look down here at the bottom. You can see a tiny hole there. Take your tool, line up, push straight down. And here is our tray here. So please note, this device does not have any micro SD card storage. So you have to choose the right storage option that is correct for you. So with this device, it offers a couple of storage options. You have 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes of internal storage. So there's no micro SD card storage option. There is loads of cloud-based storage options that are available, and I think that's why people choose to not add micro SD cards. Take a close look at our tray here. We're going to take our first SIM card. We're going to line up, so the cut-off edge is at the bottom right-hand corner. There's going to be a couple of clips that it sort of clips into. So turn that around. I'm just going to hold my finger there just in case. Then it's going to be the same position for the other SIM card here, bottom right hand corner. Again, make sure it all clips in okay. So then it's ready to return to our device here. So taking our device. So returning to our device, make sure that little hole lines up where you had it before. I'm just holding both cards just in case, but they do feel nice and secure inside there. Power our device on. So while that's powering on, there is loads of other videos on the channel. There's the unboxing, setup, and my first impressions. There will be an accessibility video as well, where we go through all the accessibility features. There's going to be a tips and tricks video on the OnePlus 7 Pro, and also there will be a review plus some other videos. So we're all back in. So to go through into the menu option and have a look at our SIM card, pull up, and then we're going to go to settings, which is the gear icon here. Then you're going to go into Wi-Fi and internet, and then you're going to go into SIM and network. So you've got SIM 1, which is EE, SIM 2, which is Vodafone, both active at the moment. So I can go in here, change and adjust the settings if I want to for this SIM. I can go in here, change and adjust the settings in there for that SIM as well. We look at the top here. You do have your network connections as well. It's showing your network connection, which is really good. It means it's up, running, and ready to use. So that's really good that we're all set and ready to use. So why is a dual SIM option a good idea? You might need it if you're traveling and you go to different countries. You might want to buy a SIM card for that country, which means it's going to be less cost on your data allowance if you don't have any. Plus, if you work for business as well, you might have a business SIM and a work SIM, so you need to keep business and personal separate. So that's a good idea as well. And I like having a dual SIM option here, one that has loads of data on it and one that has the voice, minutes, and text and data as well, which I can combine and use and switch either way. So that was a very basic video there, just showing you how to insert dual SIMs into your OnePlus 7. If you have any questions or queries, please drop a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help. Please give the video a like, and if you're new to Tech Talk, hit subscribe to stay updated with all of my latest videos. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.